In this presentation, we will look at how creating and managing dashboards can improve your productivity when using 3DEXPERIENCE web apps. If you launch a dashboard app, it will open a widget as an overlay on your active dashboard. You can then work with the widget, and when finished, simply close it. This is referred to as a transient use of the widget. It can be inconvenient to have to continually launch and close the app if you use it frequently. You may wish to facilitate your access to apps by creating a dashboard. You can display your dashboard and cockpit's list by selecting the overflow menu on the left side of the compass. Some dashboards, such as My First Dashboard, are pre-built but modifiable by you. Cockpits are also pre-built and delivered by certain roles. Cockpits are typically read-only, meaning you cannot modify what they deliver. You can use them as a reader, not as an owner. You can duplicate a cockpit and then have owner rights on the duplicate, meaning you can make modifications to it. Click the plus sign to add a new dashboard. It can be an empty dashboard, or you can use a cockpit or other dashboard as a template. If you do not give the new dashboard a meaningful name, a generic name will be created for it. The new dashboard is then created along with one tab page. You can edit the dashboard and the tab pages at any time after creation. You can also add more tab pages. As we saw before, you can launch your web app and it overlays to the new dashboard. But if you decide you want this app widget to be always available on the dashboard, then you can pin it to the dashboard. You can pin to an existing dashboard and tab from here, or you can create a new dashboard to pin it to. You can pin the widget to an existing tab on the dashboard or create a new tab for it. A dashboard app has a small arrow in the upper right corner of its icon. Other apps without this arrow are usually either native apps or non-dashboarding web apps. Instead of launching dashboard apps and then pinning them, you can simply drag and drop them onto the dashboard. You can arrange widgets on your dashboard as you wish, including resizing them. Once you have them arranged, you can glue them together using the Fit menu. Even when glued, you can resize the widgets dynamically by using their borders. You can drag and drop content from one widget to another on the dashboard to make yourself more productive when reviewing data. The dashboard widget can be expanded to full screen or restored down to its original size and position on the dashboard. Now, instead of searching for data and then opening it in a transient widget, you can use the widgets on the dashboard to continually work with any data without the repetitive widget launching task slowing you down. Once populated with the data of interest to you, the widget can be maximized to focus your use on the tools it contains. When done, you can restore the widget back down to its dashboard location. You can easily switch between active dashboards without losing the displayed content in them. This increases your efficiency when working with 3DEXPERIENCE web apps. In the Manage section of the Dashboards and Cockpits list, you can delete, duplicate, and share your dashboards. Deleted dashboards go into the recycle bin, where you can recover them if you later change your mind. Creating and using dashboards is fundamental to increasing your productivity when launching and using web apps. Thank you for viewing this Intro to Dashboards presentation. Please continue to our Intro to Communities presentation to learn more about what 3DEXPERIENCE offers for collaboration with others.